Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily download multiple photos and videos from WhatsApp Web. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open WhatsApp application in your laptop or PC and open the conversation from where you want to download the media. Once in the conversation, click on the name of the person at the top and you will be heading toward the media section of the conversation. Simply select the photos and video which you want to download. Once you have selected all the photos which you want to download, at the bottom you will be able to see the option of download. But sometimes it might also be glitch in the WhatsApp application. So if you are not able to see the download option, simply click on the individual picture and click on the three dots. Or you can simply click Ctrl+S and you will be able to download the picture and video. So that's it. That is how easily you can download photos and videos from WhatsApp Web all at once. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.